Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you progressive insurance how to email for cancel policy. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel or email for cancel policy, what you need to do is first simply head over and open up your web browser, then on the search bar type in progressive.com, and once you're inside the home page of the Progressive Insurance, here you'll find the option that says contact us. Simply tap on that, and as you tap on that option, you'll be provided with the number. Now here what you need to do is simply dial that number and say you want to cancel your policy. Please provide the email address where you can send the written cancellation request. Then they will give you your policy detail confirmations, correct email address for sending the cancellation request, your required cancellation form if needed. Then all you gotta do is write a proper cancellation email and send it to the given email. And once that's done, you need to attach required documents like copy of new insurance card, proof of vehicle sold, ID copy, and signed cancellation letter. You can also simply tap on the see more contact options, and on tapping it, here you'll find the option that says chat now. Simply tap on that, and then once you tap on start chat, you'll be able to chat with the agent, and all you gotta do is say the same thing that you want to cancel your policy and provide the email address where you can send the written cancellation request, and they will help you by giving your policy details confirmation, the correct email address, and your required cancellation form. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.